Because of the previous Suica Cup problem, I bought my ticket from the machine and paid 1,800 yen. Only later did I realize I bought a reserved seat on the Rapid Airport train. My husband and son paid just 800 each for non-reserved tickets, so we were all on the same train. But my ticket cost 1,000 yen more. The funny thing, we queued about 15 minutes earlier and all of us got seats anyway, even in the non-reserved cars. Since March 2026, the reserved seats surcharge increased to 1,000 yen, making the price difference even bigger.